Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to configure repository creation utility. That's one means RCU.bat. This one RCU.bat. This is base file. You will get this one your form and report installation directory. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to my installation directory C drive. This one C drive inside Oracle inside window layer. This one, this folder open, then Oracle common, this click, then click bin. This one inside you find RCU.bat. This is base file. RCU means repository creation utility. This one you right click, then run as administrator, then minimize this one, you wait some time, then run your repository creation utility. Still processing. This is repository. This one minimize. This is repository creation utility. So click next. Then here check mark create repository and system load and product load. This one by default. Okay, keep it up. This is drop repository. Later I will show you. Now this one I will show you. Now I will show you the only create repository by default, check mark this one. Okay, then click next. Then here database type, you select here Oracle database. Here have so many: SQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle database. Also enable it. This one we need only Oracle database. Then here write host name, local host, my host name local host. Then port number 1521. Then service name means database name. My database name RCL-DB. Then write username here. This is sysdba DB user, example sys. So write here this is DBA database administrator user. So write sys username is sys. Then write password here. Use sys password right here. Then you can connect with database. Then click next. Then here checking, wait some time. All mark is green, click OK. Then here check mark all, this one check mark, then all select, only remove this one. No, this one only. User message services, messaging service, this one uncheck. Then click next. Then click OK. All mark green, then click OK. And here you write use password for all schema. Here this password you write here. This use same password for all schema. So I write here my sys password. Sys password right here. Then confirm password. Then click next. This one. Then again click next. click next, then create table like this and return to this and click OK. Then checking, wait some time. Creating table speech, you wait some time. Then mark green, OK. Then here showing database details summary. Here see port number, database name, service name is database name, connect to as sys user, operation system and data loads currently. So here all summary here showing. Then you need to click create, then start repository creation utility system loaded start. So you wait some time, all mark come green, then it's okay. Load in progress, you wait some time, then finish. So here showing database details, all summary showing here successfully. You see here all success. So completion summary here, services all success. So click close. So like this way you can configure your repository creation utility RCU.bat. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.